What's up, YouTube? Today we'll have a quick look at the Red 25s on feet. And here's my whole outfit. This is polo. Excuse my dirty mirror. But this will probably look better if you have like an iPhone and you're looking at it through your iPhone, because I'm recording it on my iPhone. These are my favorite J's. They're hella fresh. I'm gonna see if I could pull up the pants to see. So I can see what they look like with shorts, maybe. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Good day. Just ordered pizza. Sneakerhead gotta eat.